Have you ever paused to appreciate the engineering marvel that is your toilet tank? It might seem mundane, but this simple mechanism plays a crucial role in our daily lives. Understanding how it works not only highlights its importance but also deepens our appreciation for modern conveniences. From the moment you pull the lever, a series of intricate actions unfold that keep your toilet functioning efficiently. The harmony between the fill valve and float ensures that each flush is effective, and minimal water is wasted. By recognizing the clever design behind it all, we can find awe in the most mundane aspects of our homes. As the float rises with the increasing water level, it elegantly dances along the surface, responding to the changes around it. Its primary role is to keep the flow of water in check, ensuring that it never overflows and creates a mess. When the desired height is achieved, the float signals to the fill valve, a crucial moment of communication in this system. This interaction is a brilliant example of how simple movements can prevent disaster, showcasing the dependable functionality of household plumbing. The entire process exemplifies not just necessity but also ingenuity, turning what could be a nuisance into a seamless experience. As you marvel at this plumbing innovation, consider the simplicity behind the float's design. A small plastic or foam piece, it reacts to changes with remarkable sensitivity, ensuring your tank maintains optimal water levels. This effective collaboration between components not only prevents flooding, but also supports conservation by minimizing waste. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, every drop saved counts. So next time you flush, remember that the elegant engineering hidden within your toilet tank plays an integral role in maintaining both comfort and efficiency in your home. It's a small marvel that undoubtedly deserves our recognition and respect. Now you know the fascinating mechanism behind your toilet tank's refilling process. This intricate system highlights the brilliance of engineering that keeps our homes functional and efficient. Next time you use your toilet, remember the clever design working tirelessly behind the scenes, making our daily lives smoother and environmentally friendly.